Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert your PDF into something like this, which have the flipping effect. That's quite nice. People can also click the autoplay button here. They can also zoom in. They can also review the table of content. You can set the table of content, and then people also can share, can print, and then can also listen to your sound from there. Personally, I think this presentation is really good if you want to promote your brand. The plugin you need is this one, Real 3D Flipbook. Or if you want to buy the paid version, you can buy it from here. This plugin already have more than 12,000 sales and have a really good feedback. Okay, let's proceed. Let me do a test page to show you how it works. Okay, here, because I'm using the Visual Composer, you need to switch back to the classic mode, and then after you install it, you will see a Real 3D Flipbook button here, and then you can select from your existing PDF if you have it. If you don't have it, let's upload your PDF here. Okay, after upload, you can choose the flipbook setting from here. Personally, I like the full screen mode the most. And then let me update it and let you to have a look. Quite simple, right? Okay, let me preview another mode for you to have a look. Let's say this one, the normal inside division. So refresh the page. So you see in the inside division, everything here is the same, except your logo will still show here, your top menu stuff will still show here, your menu will still show here, and then together with all your footer element. One more thing I would like to highlight is this one. You see right now is no flipbook file, because right now I am directly create the flipbook using a post. If you already create some flipbook in the past, so you can directly choose from here. So how to do that? Let me show you how. Firstly, you go to the Real 3D Flipbook here. You click on the flipbook and then you click on Add New. The process is still the same. So you just need to import it, and then you see this one will have a lot of images there, and then you just this one is your first one, so you just click publish. Let's say this one is 888. I choose the first images and then I click the publish button. So we already done. So right now you already have one here. So every time you want to insert into a page or a post, this one will show there, and then you just have to click. Let's have a look on the setting part. The setting is quite basic from my humble opinion. You can choose the view mode by default, and then you can also choose the zoom size, and then deep linking, the PDF page size, I mean the full one, the small one you can choose it here. And then you want to show the thumbnail on start, by default is disabled. And then this one is quite important. The logo is very important for your branding. Let me show you something live. The logo link, I recommend you use you send it to your landing page or your sales page. And then the logo CSS, right now let's say I want the left is 50, top also 50, and then here the preloaded text, I leave it blank. If you want to have your own text, you can use your own here. And then the Google Analytics tracking code, you can create a unique one to use here. And then the PDF download button right now is disabled by default. If you want to allow your customer to download your presentation, you can enable it here. Okay, let me save it. Yeah, your logo already here. Okay, if your site is using other languages such as Chinese, you can do some translation. Like for example, this one, the print button. You see the print button. Right now, you can translate it to your own language. So from my personal point of view, this plugin is quite user friendly and quite useful if you want to promote your brand. Okay, thank you.